This channel earns $2,457 every month, just by making DIY papercraft videos. No camera, no face, just AI. In this video, I'm showing you in full detail how to make this type of video, and I'm giving you the prompt for free. But first, let's go to Gemini to start production. First, we go to the gem I specifically prepared for you. This gem was specially trained. After you type start and answer the detailed questions the bot asks you, it will give you one image with all your scenes in it and one image to video conversion prompt to turn those scenes into a video. To access this gem and the free master prompt, you can write prompt in the comments or join our Telegram group via the link in the description and access all master prompts. We copy our first image prompt generated based on our customizations and go to the OpenArt website. After arriving at the OpenArt interface, we click on the Create Image tool in the left menu. In the tool that opens, we first select Nano Banana 2 as the image production model in the top section, then paste the first image prompt we just copied into the prompt section right below. After setting our output settings to 9:16 vertical image format and 1K image resolution, we click the Generate button. Based on your prompt, an image will be created with as many scenes from top to bottom as the number of scenes you selected at the beginning. We check it and save it, then move on to the video production stage. To move on to the video production stage, we click on the Frame to Video tool in the side menu, and after the panel appears, we go back to Gemini and copy the video prompt we generated, then return to OpenArt again. As the first setting, we select Google Omni Flash as the video model for this content in the panel at the top, then drag and drop the first image we produced into the reference image section right below. After that, we paste the prompt we copied into the prompt box right below the image. Set the video settings to 9:16 vertical format and the duration based on the number of your scenes, which is 7 seconds for me. Then click the Generate button to produce the video. You can make different edits to the prompt and convert it to any format you want. You can also choose different production models and resolution options based on your budget throughout the production process. Of course, most importantly, make sure to create original and effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, keep in mind that you may not be able to sustain your presence on YouTube for long. Here is what our finished video looks like. If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.